Good morning. This is day 3 and the day has started with the rain. Look at this weather. I had no option, I had to bring him out. So we are out and look at the weather right here. It's all drippy. Tanya bailed out because she didn't want to be out in the rain. Only Marvel and I like to play in the rain. So we are here. Boo boo, where's mommy? Is mommy not coming? Is mommy not coming today? It's just you and me. Come on, come with daddy. Mommy's not coming. No running. No running, daddy's gonna fall. Oh my god, you guys, he loves to play in the rain. So we are out and I think she wants to go get her eyebrows done. So we are going over there and then we have to pick Marvel's food. I am being a little bit conscious because it's way too slippery over here. But as you can see, the weather is beautiful. So we are going to get her eyebrows done and going to pick up Marvel's food. So that's where we are going right now. We have our shakes because that's our breakfast.
Every single day.
And they are delicious. So let's go. We have to get my car washed, but look like it got washed. It's better than before.
So we came for 2 works. One was to get Marvel's food and get my eyebrows done. Well, both of them are closed. We looked at them over Google and they showed open, so we just came over, but they are closed for Labor Day. And my threading is also closed, so we are not getting any work done. We're just going back home and it's pouring like crazy. Oh man.
So none of our plans worked. We couldn't do anything that we were supposed to do. So now Tanya wants to have a bath. I'm drawing her bath, and this is what I'm using. These are Art Naturals bath bombs, and I'm using this. So I added some Epsom salt for relaxation, and I'm adding this bath bomb. And then she's gonna have some bath, and then they're gonna have some lunch. And today is Janamashtami. For people, those who do not know, it's just a celebration of birthday of one of the gods. So we are gonna cook something delicious for dinner. So let's see what you're. Okay, so you guys ready to see this? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Babe, bath is ready.
Coming.
Margot, can you please come out of the bathroom so mommy can take bath? Can you please come with daddy? Come on, let mommy take bath. Come on.
No.
Why are you getting into my closet?
Marvel, come on.
Marvel, come on.
Let's
Come.
go. Come on. Let's go.
Find Daddy, Marvel. Find Daddy. You found Daddy. Look at the weather outside, Marvel. Did you see the weather outside? Marvel, are you looking at the weather outside? What do you think about it? See, it's such a nice weather. What do you think about it? Is it good? Do you remember we went in the rain outside this morning? You were trying to jump into the puddles and the GoPro's battery ran out? Next time we'll play, okay? And then we'll record it.
Okay, guys, it's it's Chef Mayank over here again today.
As I told you guys, today is Janamashtami, so we are just making some delicious food,
Yes.
and then we are just gonna pray real quick and eat.
Yeah, he's making so many things, and I'm doing some editing for you guys. Marvel is over here. He's actually looking at this. No, you're not gonna get it. This is not for you. And I'm having a plum and doing some editing. We didn't go out anywhere.
Because today everything is closed.
Everything is closed. Yeah. So, and we anyways didn't get any work also done because everything was closed. So we just had fun at home. Did some photo shoots. So good. And let's see if you feel like we'll again go to Walmart, just roam around or something. Well, that's the only thing that's open.
Walmart is open 24/7, 365 days, except Christmas Eve.
Yeah, except for Christmas. These are really good. I got them from Walmart. They're really good. You wanna try? Mine doesn't like plums. And also we went to get Marvel's food, but that was closed, the store was closed. And we don't give him those regular table food, dry food. We give him like, how do I explain, baby?
Wet food, baby.
Wet food like chicken necks and chicken blend and
Superfoods like carrots,
and
blended
broccolis,
chicken.
which are already blended in the chicken. So those things, and the store was closed. So I'm gonna cook him his food today. So I'm gonna give him some salmon, and I have some of his goat milk left,
Some
eggs, and some pumpkin, and salmon, some beef lining, and chicken necks. And Mike will go and get it in the morning. So from tomorrow, he's gonna have the normal food that he eats.
Okay, so I'm done cooking and she's done editing, so she's uploading a video. I think she already started.
Yeah.
Put it on upload. So
Yeah.
it should be there in 15-20 minutes. And let's see what we cook. So this is lentils, and we are gonna stuff this into whole wheat dough I have here. So we're gonna, this is the stuffing. We are gonna stuff this, roll it out, and make little parathas, rotis. And this is a rice pudding, so it's getting cold over here. And this is butter paneer masala. So I hardly used any butter though, but that's what it is. But yep, so that is the dinner for tonight. And now I'm gonna do something for Marvel because she already told you that we ran out of his food. So he's kind of upset about it today, as you can see. Marvel, are you upset because we ran out of your food? Are you upset? You are upset because we ran out of your food. Don't worry, I'll give you the dinner time. I'll give you dinner. Daddy's gonna cook dinner for you. Yes. So anyways, we are gonna cook something for him real quick, like a salmon and something like that.
And then for a walk.
Yep. And then come back, eat our dinner.
And then we're gonna go to Walmart.
Only place opened.
So we'll take you with us. Okay, so this is dinner. This is the butter chicken, right?
Paneer.
Oh, sorry. Butter paneer. This is a salad, onion, tomato, green chili, and these are plain rotis. And here, this one is the stuffed. These are stuffed with lentils. That's it. And we're gonna watch Supergirl and have a dinner, and then let's see what we're gonna do.
Okay, so we are so full. It's 10:46. It's pretty much 11. So we had our dinner. We saw a couple episodes of Supergirl, and she's just making fun of me because now we are not going to Walmart. We'll be going to bed. From tomorrow, we have to get back to our regular routine. Right there, all ready to go to bed. She's taking cellulose. Cellulose is something that we take just because to regulate the water tension in our body. We take it 3 times a day. It helps because we eat a lot of salt. It retains water, so cellulose just helps reduce bloating and stuff. So that's what I'm gonna take now.
Did you eat both of them together?
Marvel, why are you sitting on your table? Say good night.
It's a night time, baby. Marble? Marble?
You want ice?
Hmm.
You won't get any ice today. Go. You have had enough. Go.
Come here, Marble.
I'll give you in the morning, okay? Go.
It's a night time. Come on, go on your bed. Come here. Here, see what mommy got. Here. Mommy got some coconut oil and treats. Yummy. Come here. Here.
Go. Go to mommy, come on. Find mommy, go. Find mommy, go.
Come here, come on. Let's go.
Come on. Go on your bed. Marvel, go.
Ay. So guys, we are off to sleep. And long weekend is finally over.
But a long month is coming, and Thanksgiving weekend is gonna be coming,
Yes.
and Halloween is coming, and Diwali is coming. So there's so much more that's gonna happen.
Yes. Do you want to say good night? Okay, so good night. Bye bye.